doesn't like to cook. And then she tell her mother, I cannot find the what's the sandok in English? I cannot find the big spoon. Yes, I cannot find the mother. Where's the big spoon? And then the mother said, look for it. Use your eyes. And then Pina follow her mother, but she doesn't like. So she's mumbling, mother is very, very lazy. Like that. And then she asked again her mother, mother, where is the rice? And then mother said, go look for it. Use your big eyes. Like that. And then, yes. And then her mother says, I wish you have a lot of eyes so that you can find what you're looking for. And then, suddenly there's a big thunder and lightning came to their house like boom, like that. And then her mother too much hungry, so she fell asleep. In the morning, she's looking to her daughter. She said, Fina, Fina, where are you, little